So what hackers often use is a computer system called kalilinux. This system is based on Linux and is for research, hacking and other stuff. So also for open source intelligence. And why this system is great is because it includes many tools by default that is not installed in, for example, Windows or regular Linux or, for example, macOS. So it's really a system that is created for hacking and research. So this system is free of charge. You can download it for free from www.kali.org. So kali.org. Once I click download, you'll see I have all kinds of options. And this options is really depending on your preference. So the main idea is that you get access to the Kali Linux system. Now there are several ways to do that, and we'll go into them. So first is just bare metal, which means you have a computer and Kali Linux is installed on your computer. And nothing else, there's no Windows, there's no Mac, there's no Linux, it's just Kali Linux. Then there's virtual machines, which let you virtualize computers, so like emulation. And that lets you run computers inside computers. For example, I have the VirtualBox program here, which is lets you run virtual machines, and I can start Windows 2000. And you'll see that once I click that, starting a virtual machine, so you can run a system inside a system. So that is virtual machine. They call it virtualization. Basically, you're running a computer inside a computer. So that's another way to run Kali Linux. You'll see this is the old Windows 2000, which is just for example that it's running inside my system. And the system I'm running is a Linux system, it's not a Windows system. And then you can use the system just as you want. So that's other option. You'll see there's an ARM option, a mobile option. So you can install Kali Linux on your mobile phone. And you'll see you can download it and install it on your phone if you have any of these phones. There's an option to install it in the cloud. So if you install it in the cloud, let me see. I think you have a one-click install option on Amazon Cloud. Yes. Then you have option Live Boot, and Live Boot lets you create your own USB disk that once you plug it in, it starts Kali Linux. So all kind of options, and in the next videos we'll look into some.